boat. Maybe your mom should have totally chilled instead of making monsters to get us all killed.
Well, maybe your dad should have picked a better place. All he did was diss her with disgrace.
Guys, calm it down with all life stresses. It ain't worth cleaning up your parents' messes. Now ask me where we are, I'll give you 3 guesses. Ask me.
Where are we?
We're in the same boat, in the very same boat.
I'd like to wrap my hands around that half-blood's throat. Don't need to heed a talking goat.
The same boat. We're in the same boat. And look what I found at Medusa's place.
3 Amtrak tickets?
Why run from monsters when we can ride? We're in the same train, in the very same train.
Within a block.
And seaweed brain.
You're so high-strung.
Well, you're insane.
In the same train. We're in the same train.
Last stop, Denver, Colorado.
Wow, check out those Rocky Mountains.
You mean the Rocky Mountains?
That is so beautiful. I need a veggie burger.
Did someone say veggie burger?
Sweet!
Wait, does anyone else find this suspicious?
Roll with it. It's not every day you get a veggie burger from a god. Ares, god of war. Maybe you've met my daughter, Clarice? Whoa, relax, I come in peace. I hear you once headed to Hades, but you'll never make it on public transportation. I can take you as far as Vegas. Y'all cool with motorcycles, right? Sweet!
We're on the same bike, on the very same bike. There's lots about this that I don't like. Can we trust this guy?
You could always say
The same bike.
We're on the same bike. Vegas, baby! Forgetting something. This is where I get off.
That guy is so cool.
Okay, gang, we need a place to spend the night.
how about here? The Lotus Hotel.
You're joking, right? In the Odyssey, if you went to sleep in a lotus bed, one night could last 100 years.
Well, I'm sure that's irrelevant. Excuse me, miss, how long have you been at this hotel?
Why, my brother and I arrived just yesterday, May 1st, 1939!
The map was upside down.
Ah!
Here we are, DOA Records.
I kind of figured there'd be monsters.
Yeah, maybe the lobby to the underworld would be so...
Dead.
Going down. No sobs, no screaming, and no getting seasick.
How do you get seasick in an elevator? Boat!
The way to the underworld is over the Styx. It's a river.
I know you show off chicks.
Says this much. Go make a splash.
I'll splash
It's like watching Titans clash. They'll kill each other, or they'll kiss. If we're lucky, they'll end up in an abyss.
I've seen some messed up stuff, but nothing quite like this.
Just listen.
We're in the same boat, in a literal boat. I'm trying to stay afloat above the lava moat. Have you even heard a word coming from my throat? The same boat. We're in the same.
Did we just almost die?
I feel something strange.
Is it seasickness?
Perspective. That stuff with our parents. It's ancient history.
And who says history has to repeat itself?
Say it. Say it. You know you want to say it. Just say it already.
We're in the same boat.
Yes, we're
Whoa, whoa.